Welcome to Hard Way Learning, where we look stupid so you don't have to. Today we are working on the 2021 Toyota RS6. We, if you haven't seen it already, just installed Miltech downpipes with high flow cats. Car sounds a little better, should increase our turbine efficiency. Check out the link in the description or up in the cards. Now we are going to be installing CSF Intercoolers by PWR Advanced Cooling Technology. Should help bring our intake temps down on our journey towards 1,000 wheel horsepower. So let's get after it.
Riveting footage. Well, I think that's pretty much everything now. Is it bonded to this? The whole fender liner is one piece, I guess. Although if we just do this, can we get it? Loose enough to do that. Yeah, I think we can just do that. Fold it back out of the way. Probably not the prescribed way to do it, but maybe a zip tie or something to hold it around, just so it doesn't.
Where are all the mounting brackets?
There's two up front, or two on the top, two on the bottom. So honestly, this should be not too bad, as long as getting the hardware off of the pipes isn't too bad.
Alright, so we are opting to get the hoses off while it's still rigid and secure.
That way too.
It's one of those attached hoses, so air clamps.
I'm gonna back it way off, and then I think it'll not even.
I mean, can you just grab the hose from further back and try to pop her?
I was gonna try and get a flathead or something in there.
There's some top teeth that are still...
I know, I can tell.
I mean, should we just totally undo that hose clamp? Yeah! So now that we have the couplers off, there's mounting bolts here and here that we'll get, and then also behind the plastic.
Facing the front.
Yeah, right there and right there.
Get the shield off, or the shroud off the front. Bottom.
Comparing them two, they look the same volume-wise, but if you look inside here, there is more cooling thingamajigs.
Okay, let's see now. Are you to the right?
Like as soon as I let go, it went all the way back.
Okay. That was okay. That wasn't a bad thing. Go ahead and straighten it back out now, and come help me down here now. I'm just kind of holding it somewhat in place. Is that it right there? That's pretty close to it, I think. Oh, what is going on? I said, hey, what's going on?
Just want to point out how cool this ducting Audi adds to their intercoolers. Shoves it right through there. It's a wrap on the CSF Intercoolers. Toyota RS6 lives to die another day.